that film more than my wife and children, although it's up there. To find a remedy. We don't know if it's right to get a manager involved. It's a bit fucking hell. Speak directly to the culprit. It seems too mean. Okay. Especially as we don't know if the cause is lax hygiene standards or a medical condition. We both want to be sweet, sweet souls, but it's because this is a joke here, and I want to know. I'd love to know your. What's your other option? Bearing in mind that was your first one. So I'm dying to know what the second one was. Strong mint is a cure for bad breath is such a fallacy, because what you get is minty dog shit breath, right?